is how you keep warm in the bush. You get a nice fire, and that's how you get started with a good campground. Nice. As soon as you get fire, you get light, you get food, and you get warmth. Alright?
Oh, Ricky Barbie. Oh, placement was terrible though.
I reckon that metal bar there is pretty good putting a chicken on. Put the bar straight up its bum and cook it. It's gonna be a good chicken.
Shocking vocals.
We're just going on a trek to try and find a platypus for dinner.
I was just gonna click my toes until I go home.
On the bike.
That sucks.
Of course it sucks. You fell in a creek.
So we're about 10 minutes into our trip and we've already been told off for ruining the tranquility of the platypus lake. So shut up, Luke.
Oh no. This here is me and my moist, wet, delicious chicken. What you can see here is its anal cavity.
There's paper still on it.
That's where we're going to put this pup. See? And just right on there. That's what you call a great Australian roast chicken.
So we now have a roast chook. Legs are all tied up on a stick of sugar cane. It's going to flavour the inside. Richie's done the chicken and Luke has done all the firewood for us tonight.
And tied the legs up. It takes longer than we thought.
Put your pants on, Luke.
It's only taken us about maybe 4.5 hours so far to cook this chicken plus the potatoes. Be a delightful dinner, I hope.
I hope so.
Never actually had a real campfire barbecue, but I've got a hot plate and a good attitude, so.
Oh, the chicken looks burnt.
So right now we've barbecued our steak and we've got barbecue shapes.
Perfect seasoning for a steak.
To add to the gourmet flavour.
Gourmet?
Not gentle, don't waste the beer.
No. How is it? Oh, Luke, I fucked your eye up. I'm really sorry.
Did I?
It's bad, eh?
Oh, well.
I shouldn't have put burning tongs on your face.
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful, moist flesh, left, right and centre.
Really pink.
Kind of pink. Can't wait for the salmonella.
That's what you want in a chicken. Probably the best chicken I've had this side of the East Coast.
Whoa, big statement. Luke, how do you feel?
Unbelieve it.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.